Hi, have you or a loved one been injured in Richmond, Texas in an 18-wheeler accident or by a big truck? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of professional truck drivers or due to the faulty operations of motor carrier companies. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll-free anywhere in the great state of Texas at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, download your free ebook under the Resources tab. Give me a call today at 713-766-3322, and I look forward to discussing your 18-wheeler wreck case today. As always, I hope you and your loved ones have a blessed day.